Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, Daniel.
Merry Christmas. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Hey, this is Daniel Kligmann. He's our Chop Junior champion here at The Adventure, and he's been doing great recipes for us, part of our Advent series that we've been doing this month to prepare for Christmas. What an awesome opportunity to cook with a master chef.
No, not Master Chef, Chop Junior champion.
Chop Junior champion,
Yeah.
even better. What are we cooking today?
We are doing pigs in a blanket today. So this is a really simple recipe, but it is so good. One of my favorites.
I love pigs in a blanket.
I never had them as a kid, so this isn't even a childhood dish. This is just delicious as all around.
We just need to pray for you. You never had these as a kid.
I know, right? You guys should just all talk to my mom and yell at her for. No, I'm just kidding.
Corinne?
My mom is great for it. All right. So we're going to start off with our crescent rolls. Use whatever brand of crescent rolls you like. All right, now, as you can see on the crescent rolls, there is each individual triangles. That's pretty great. We're only going to need half of one of these for each one of the pigs in a blanket. So what we're going to do is peel off the, oops. It already wants to be in half. It's already tearing. That's terrible.
Pizza cutter there. You could cut them.
Yeah, I could do that. That is going to... So what we're going to do is we're going to take each individual one, and we're going to cut it down roughly in half. Now you're going to get two weird pieces. One's like this, one's like this. It's okay. We're stretching them out anyway. Don't handle it too much with your hands because you don't want them to be warm and melt all the delicious butter in it. So we're going to stretch it out like this.
Cool.
And stretch the tip out just like that. That's important because it gives it the classic look. We're going to place a sliver. I just shaved this butter with a butter knife. I just took the butter knife and scraped it along and got these beautiful shaves. We're just going to set one right in there. And then I'm going to take...
Why do you put the butter there?
Oh, the butter makes it all flaky and delicious and gives it a good buttery flavor increased into the crescent roll.
I've never done that with pigs in the blanket.
Oh, well, now you will.
Chef trick.
Yeah. So you're going to take the sausage, the par-cooked sausage, and you're going to roll it from the top. And you're going to have this nice, beautiful, wrapped pigs in a blanket. And then you're going to set it just like this. All right, so I've evenly spread out these pigs in a blanket, and I'm going to be popping them in the oven like so. It's going to take about, anywhere. It really does vary. Just wait till they're all brown and fluffy. Anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes.
Well, here they are. They look so good.
Yep, they're all cooked.
We've been waiting for a while. Let's eat them.
Okay.
Oh, man. I love pigs in a blanket. I think they're even better with the breakfast sausage than hot dogs.
Much better.
So good. Hey, you guys, this is a great Christmas Advent project for the family. It's also something that you can remember as an act of service, an act of love this year. Maybe not eat one meal, even though these are good. Maybe the next meal, not eat at all. It's called a fast. And it's an opportunity to pray for people that are struggling. That could be our love challenge for this Advent week. God bless you. Have a great, great Christmas. Thank you, Daniel, for this awesome recipe.
Merry Christmas.